Hello everyone, this is my review of Tru Energy Seltzer in mango flavor, and I'm thoroughly impressed. The sparkling water is light and refreshing with a tropical mango taste. It's made with real fruit juice, which gives it a natural sweetness without any added sugar, something I truly appreciate. With 100 milligrams of natural caffeine, this drink provides a solid energy boost that keeps me alert and focused throughout the day. I found it to be a great alternative to coffee, especially in the afternoon when I need a pick-me-up. The added B vitamins are a nice touch, contributing to a clean energy experience without the jitters. Overall, Tru Energy Seltzer is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a refreshing, low-calorie energy drink. If you're a fan of fruity flavors and clean energy, I hope this review helps.